Hi everybody, I'm Bill Keller. I'm a Platinum Executive with Thrive Life, and today in this video I want to talk about how to create links to your website. This is very important that you understand this, because if you do it right, it's very easy to do if you understand it. But if you do it wrong, you could lose not only the sale, but the customer as well. So let me show you how to properly do this. Now, what am I talking about with links? You can actually put a link to a specific page in your website. Let's say you are doing a Facebook Live about the Thrive macaroon cookies mix, and then you can put in the description down below that video, or you can put a link to the macaroons page where people will click on there and go directly to not only just to your website, but to the page that shows the macaroons. And like I said, if you do it right, it's very easy to do if you understand it. But if you do it wrong, people will click on your link and go to the corporate website instead of your website. And if they purchase there, then you've lost the sale, and that could be a disaster. So let me show you how to do this. Once you understand it, you won't have any trouble. And you can then put these links into Facebook Live posts. You can put them into emails. You can use them in your marketing however you see fit. So let's take a look at how to properly make links to your website. Now I'm going to start here on Word just to show you a little bit about the main URL that you will use when you send people to your website. Now, when I set up my website, I chose the name B. Keller, and there's two different ways that you can do this. Either bkeller.thrivelife.com or www.thrivelife.com/bkeller. Now, either one of these will work. This should not be a capital. The word processor changed it. Either one of these will work. I actually prefer the top one. I'm not sure why, I just do. However, if I do the top one, I usually put this in. It's not necessary. It'll go there without that, but I put that in because sometimes people try to add the three W's in front of this right here, and then it won't work. So you are free to use either one of these. In fact, the interesting thing is if you type this into your computer and then hit enter, when it goes to your website, it'll change it to this. So that will send people, either one of these will send people to the home page of your website. Now, let's say you want to send someone to a specific page in your website. I like to send people to the page that has the chef packs on them, because the chef packs are a great way for people to get started when they've never tried it before, because it gives sort of a tour or a sample of a lot of the different things that Thrive has. So here I am on my delivery page. To find the chef packs, if you don't know where they are, go to shop and then scroll down to this list. It has all these circles, but these aren't complete. There are things over here that are not here. So go down right here to chef packs, click on that. Now this is the page that I like to promote because it has all the different chef packs that they can choose. So how do I do this? Well, you go up here and right click and copy, and then I'm going to go back to the word processor so you can see. You can just type that in anywhere you want to go, anywhere you want to promote it, just like that. Now notice, if you look here, it doesn't say B. Keller anywhere in this URL. If I would just paste this into a Facebook page or an email, and people clicked on that, it would take them to the corporate site, not to my site. So here's what I have to do. I have to take out the W's and replace them with my website name. Now it's just like this one at the top, except that it has the slash with all the rest about the page itself. So if you want to send somebody to a specific page, if you're talking about the peas, or you're talking about the macaroon mix or something like that, copy and paste the URL, and then change the 3 W's and replace them with your website name. Now you do not need to have the W's in here. The 3 W's actually point it to the corporate website. So you want to get rid of that and put in your name. Otherwise, you're going to have people clicking on your link and going to the corporate website, and if they buy something, then you've lost the sale and the customer because it's now a corporate customer instead of your customer. So I hope that was helpful. As you can see, it's not that difficult if you understand how to do it. And I just want to make sure that you're getting credit for every sale that you make and that your customers don't end up as corporate customers instead of your customers. So use these links liberally in your marketing. It's a great way to go as you market online. And happy marketing, everybody. I'll see you next time.